So, sometimes we're asked, can't you just build us a bridge? There's a lot of stages to building the bridge. First of all, we have to understand the needs. Where are we requiring it? What does the landscape look like? And what requirements are going to be there? Do we need a single span or a multi-span bridge? So we look at design and we look at requirement of need and what benefits it's going to bring our community. The Fixing Country Bridges program, which came in from the New South Wales government, was a way in enabling us to assist our community to ensure safety and accessibility through fixing old and requiring maintenance upgrades for timber bridges.
The replacement of the Logan's Crossing bridge upgrade was identified. It was an ageing timber structure. Council's bridge management system, where we go out, we inspect and we understand the bridges across our network and identify the need for the replacement. In this instance, we were able to secure funding through the Fixing Country Bridges program. Our bridge maintenance program ensures important infrastructure stays safe and reliable for our community. It includes proactive maintenance, urgent repairs and reactive maintenance across our entire bridge network.
Not all councils have bridge crews, timber bridge maintenance crews, so it's a skill we can't afford to lose. So we need to try and nurture and make sure that there's a great interest in joining bridge crews. It's a skill we need to maintain, and proud we have such great crews in this space.
We're really lucky to have the crew that we do. They're highly trained in concreting and heavy timber work, building wharves, jetties, boat ramps, and concrete and timber bridges.
When we had the major flooding a few years back, and one of our bridges the abutment had completely washed out, we were called there to repair the job. It was pouring with rain, and the crew and I got together. We rebuilt the abutment, and which allowed the residents to have access, because they were out of power for a couple of weeks, so they were in sort of a desperate time. So we rebuilt that in about 1 or 2 days, and they have access again.
We're here at King Creek Bridge, which is one of the 13 timber bridges we've replaced through the New South Wales Government's Fixing Country Bridges program. We are bringing these older structures up to current Australian standards and providing greater resistance to flood damage, including reduced return to service times following flood inundation of these bridge crossings. It will reduce long-term maintenance costs to Council and provide improved safety for vehicles and cyclists. It will also improve traffic flow and access for businesses and residents. This massive project is part of Council's commitment to continue to deliver key road infrastructure that connects our communities.